And we can see battles have been fought for this simple sex life. Helen of Troy, right? Homer's Iliad. What is? The Paris, the prince of Troy, went to the kingdom of Greece, King Agamemnon, and there he came across Agamemnon's wife, Helen. She was a celebrated beauty. He fell in love and they eloped. And as a result of that, a battle was fought. The entire family was wiped out. The entire kingdom was lost. So this is how dangerous it can be. Like this appeal can lead to such situation that the battles are fought and kingdoms are destroyed. Thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people are killed. Whereas a devotee, because he got the higher taste, because he has transcended to the bodily platform and become situated in a spiritual identity, even in a practicing stage, he can overcome these arches. So we found this most wonderful process, and let us take full advantage of this process.